Let's put the panels back. To begin, let's position the PlayStation with the disk drive. You see, this is where you input the discs. On the left side, it will be slightly easier, and with the fan towards the right side. Take the cover that has the disc opening and align it with the disc opening that is now over there. You're gonna notice this cover has prongs, multiple ones, and the console has some grooves that are pointing towards the right side. I'll put it over the console. I'll push down on this side, and at the same time I'll try to bring the panel so it clicks on the right side. You absolutely need to hear a click. Let me demonstrate. Here we go. It has clicked. It does not take much power and much force to do it. Now let's do it on the other side. Again, we'll put it with the fan towards the right. Take the cover. Gonna notice the grooves over here pointing towards the right side with the PS logo on the top right corner. Same thing, I'm gonna lower it simply so that the prongs falls in the grooves, and then with your hand push down slightly and push towards the right side until you hear the click. Here we go. So now our panels are installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.